Shri Shri Ravi Shankar has inspired us into giving our children a broader outlook and a deeper root. Blessed are the children, because they are the messengers of God, with messages of innocence and beauty that keep His world rich and pure, messages that we must treasure and cherish, nurture and nourish. The children of India's tribes are ravaged by malnutrition, by exploitation, by abuse, right from the cradle. Born into the darkness of illiteracy, they have little opportunity for social justice and development. Isolated by the bumpy roads of the Ghatshila and Dumaria blocks of East Singhbhum in Jharkhand, India, a landscape untouched by progress and the march of civilization. Every ray of sunlight illuminates centuries of oppression. Every breath of breeze whispers the pain of neglect. 1/10 of the population, over 80 million tribal people in India, live on the verge of destitution. Widespread poverty, illiteracy, malnutrition is their reality. Without safe drinking water or hygienic living conditions, high infant mortality and low maternal and child health. Miles away from modern development, they have no electricity, no schools, no healthcare facilities. Poverty breeds illiteracy, and both create obstacles to government developmental projects. We, the Art of Living community, are committed to transform the quality of their lives by helping first-generation learners. Shri Shri Vidya Mandir creates an opportunity for all tribal children to receive basic education and to realize their potential. In 3 years, we have built 15 schools in this area for over 1,200 children. A day at any Shri Shri Vidya Mandir school brings you 80 children from nearby villages, assembled in a non-formal school environment. Their teacher, a local youth trained by us, is an instrument of change. Their prayers that begin their day express their gratitude to the divine. Beyond academics, children are taught hygiene and basic human values like love and belongingness and respect for all religions. Yoga and meditation keep them focused by increasing their concentration. These children of nature even nurture the green in their school compound. Patriotic songs with which their day ends helps to imbibe the spirit of nationhood. Physical training and sports help to build good health and a sound body. The inter-school annual function of 2003 brought their brethren from other schools. Music plays a very important role in their development because singing and dancing are integral to the tribal ethos. Developing their own music helps to keep them rooted and respectful to their own rich culture. While they sing, they learn simple nursery rhymes in their own language. Nutritious midday meals, free uniform and books, all these make the school more attractive to them. Even while they cook, serve and eat together, they learn. They imbibe belongingness.
My name is Kausalya Pat.
No child in Kaushalya's village has ever seen a book, a pencil or an eraser. She has excelled in academics. Today she can dream of becoming a doctor who will serve her people.
My name is Sonu Sabor.
Sonu Sabor wants to be a teacher to educate his people. His father is a woodcutter who can barely manage 2 square meals a day for his family. Education has been a distant dream. Literacy alone cannot solve the problems of India's tribes. At best, it can be one instrument of development. A more comprehensive approach is needed to improve health, education and income. The Shri Shri Vidya Mandirs are the first steps in integrated development of tribal villages. There are other initiatives. Medicare was virtually non-existent till the mobile dispensary brought a qualified doctor for regular checkups of the children, their parents and neighbors. On each trip, about 100 patients are given free treatment. Villagers and children together carry out a yearly plantation program for fruit trees to meet a portion of their nutritional needs. An extensive program has been started to promote the use of vermicompost. The Women's Tailoring Vocational Center canalizes their productivity. An independent audit mechanism ensures that funds are used judiciously. 90% of your contribution goes to schooling and other welfare needs. Only the balance is spent on training, supervision and administration. The problem is gigantic. Our resources limited. We know you can help. Sponsor a tribal child. Make a difference. Love these children and let its warmth radiate. Let us hold their hand and make their dreams come true. We need your support to realize Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's words, elevate them spiritually and support them materially.